So we're Yoma, Perek Aleph, first chapter, Mishnah Daled. Kol shivat hayamim, all the 7 days, של הכנת הכהן גדול לעבודת יום הכיפורים, when we prepare the high priest for the service of Yom Kippur. לא היו מונעים ממנו מאכל ומשתה. So he used to separate the Kohen Gadol from his house, so he doesn't become impure, and he used to live in the temple, on the temple ground. He had a special room on the temple ground, and throughout those 7 days, throughout this week, לא היו מונעים מאכל ומשתה, you would give him whatever he wanted to eat and drink. שרשאי היה לאכול ולשתות כרצונו וקבע את נפשו. Whatever he wanted, that's what he ate. ערב יום הכיפורים חשיכה, the day before Yom Kippur, with the darkness, קודם שחשיכה, היינו בסעודה המפסקת, in the last meal before Yom Kippur, לא היו מניחים אותו לאכול הרבה. They didn't let him eat a lot. Why? מכל מאכל שהוא, whatever. From whatever you made sure he didn't eat a lot. מפני, why? שהמאכל מביא את השינה, because if you eat good, you're going to sleep good. You know, because it makes you tired, the eating. The digestion makes you tired. And the high priest was not supposed to sleep ערב יום כיפור. שהאכילה מרובה מורידת האדם, ואסור היה לכהן גדול לישון בליל יום כיפורים. And he was not allowed to sleep the day before Yom Kippur. Why? שמא יראה קרי, because he might get an emanation at night. He might have a dream, and some seed is going to come out, and then it's going to become impure, and then you don't have a high priest. ויפסל לעבודה. מטעם זה היו גם מונעים ממנו לגמרי מאכלים החממים ובינו לקרי. So therefore they would also not give him special kinds of food that brings a lot of seed. For example, no garlic, no eggs, things like this. He won't be allowed to eat because that can make him impure. So